Ezekiel, are you at frequency?
Affirm, I am at Plamoor.
Okay, looking out, I'm turning towards, I'm between the Matterhorn and Zermatt, 12,000.
Okay, I have you in sight. I will join you on the right-hand side, huh? Just keep turning and 90% power.
Okay, I have 90% power. It gives me only 320 and I continue my turn.
Jetzt gibt es ein bisschen gehen.
Okay, inside.
Alles gut bei dir. I go a little bit behind you just to make sure you're on the camera.
Okay, cool. I continue this long turn.
Was man gehört, ist die Luftbremse unten am Rumpf. Aha.
Ist jetzt das Nächste, was wir können?
Ah nein, man kann schon noch näher.
Können wir nicht?
Also, feel as you want.
Okay, I will come on your right hand side.
Okay, come there, perfect. We do a bit of pictures. We are heading now towards Grand Combat because we'll do a bit of aerobatic before going home.
Good, okay, we split, huh?
Have a good day.
You too, bye-bye.
Was great, thanks.
Thank you.